Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JBZY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one several times in the past, but it's been a few weeks since the last update I did. But today a bunch of volume came in. The bears took a bite out of it, so definitely some updates here need to be done. From the resistance point of view, we'll start there. Pretty straightforward way to gauge kind of the strength of the bears. Right now, I'm pretty sure I'm stating the obvious when I say this. The bears are in full control. I mean, this thing's been in a downtrend, and the easiest way to see the quote-unquote downtrend is just via that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Very famous moving average within the world of charts. And just going back to the history of the chart, you can see that, yeah, there's been some times where the price has gotten up above it, including right there. But every single time the price has gotten above it, that hasn't lasted very long, and then the price has dropped right below it. A couple times, as you can see right there, the price has been directly rejected by it. Once again, directly rejected by it. So the point here that I'm trying to make is that from the resistance point of view, it's all about that purple line right now. As long as the price stays below that purple line, then the bears are in full control, no questions about it. Now, if the price can get up above that purple line, that's where, hey, you know what, maybe the tide's starting to turn. But as it stands right now, very clearly the bulls are in the price is in a downtrend, and the bears keep on whopping the bulls over the head. But that can always change. That's a beautiful thing about not only penny stocks, but just stocks in general. Just because something's in a downtrend, it doesn't mean it can turn around. But as it stands right now, it's been lower highs and lower lows, which is by definition a downtrend. And again, the easiest way to quote unquote quantify that downtrend is just to watch that purple line there. What about areas of support? At this point in time, it's not quite there, but I got to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, just because we have to go back quite a bit of ways into the chart's history. But the next key level of support, again, I realize it's getting hard to see, is from way back here, and this comes via, when was this? Back in about mid-October. And I'm not quite sure what the value is, but we'll figure that out here momentarily. And that level is right down there at 3 cents. 3 cents, as you can see, again, going back to October time frame, but you can see once, a couple more times there, then another time right there. The bears tried very, very hard to get down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, a very nice, not only did the bulls hold strong, but a very nice bounce followed from there. Am I saying that it's for sure going down to 3 cents? No such thing as a guarantee, but as far as the technical quote-unquote story is concerned, 3 cents and definitely that next very, very important level of support. So we'll see what happens with it, but as it stands right now, yeah, the bears are in control, but who knows? If the price gets down there and then gets a good solid bounce off 3 cents like it did last time, that would definitely put the bulls back in control, so we'll have to sit back and see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.